What will happen to you if you start eating 2 eggs a day? Eggs have been getting a lot of bad press lately in the health and fitness world. Some say they're loaded with cholesterol and that they cause weight gain and may even trigger heart attacks. In this video, we're cracking open the myths about eggs, especially the yolks, and revealing what actually happens if you eat 2 eggs a day. You might be missing out on more benefits than you ever realized, so stick around and find out why eggs might just be the superfood you've been overlooking. In a world where diet trends come and go, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by conflicting advice. One day, eggs are celebrated as a superfood packed with nutrients, and the next, they're scrutinized for their cholesterol content. You might be feeling frustrated, trying to decipher whether incorporating 2 eggs into your daily routine is beneficial or harmful. Don't worry. We're here to cut through the confusion and provide you with a comprehensive, evidence-based look at what happens when you eat 2 eggs every day. From the nutritional content and potential health benefits to the drawbacks and expert recommendations, we'll cover it all. So buckle up and join us as we dive into the science behind eggs and discover what they really do to your body. 1. The nutritional breakdown of eggs. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is inside an egg? Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Each large egg contains approximately 70 calories, 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and less than 1 gram of carbohydrates. One of the standout features of eggs is their high-quality protein. Each egg provides about 6 grams of protein, and this protein is considered high quality because it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are vital for various bodily functions, including muscle repair, enzyme production, and hormone synthesis. The fat content in eggs is predominantly healthy fats. Each egg contains about 5 grams of fat, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. However, eggs also contain some saturated fat, about 1.6 grams per egg. While saturated fat can raise levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, it is also important to consider the overall context of your diet and lifestyle. Eggs are a rich source of several essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A supports vision, immune function, and skin health. Vitamin D, crucial for bone health and immune system function. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D. Vitamin B12, important for red blood cell formation and neurological function. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, plays a key role in energy production and cellular function. Folate, vitamin B9, essential for DNA synthesis and cell division, particularly important during pregnancy. Iron, necessary for oxygen transport in the blood and energy production. Selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports thyroid function. Eggs contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found primarily in the yolk. These compounds are known for their role in maintaining eye health. They help filter harmful high-energy light waves and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. One of the most debated aspects of eggs is their cholesterol content. Each large egg contains about 186 milligrams of cholesterol, all of which is found in the yolk. For many years, dietary cholesterol was thought to significantly impact blood cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. However, more recent research has provided a more nuanced understanding of this relationship. Dietary cholesterol does affect blood cholesterol levels, but its impact is not as significant as once believed. For most people, consuming eggs in moderation doesn't substantially alter blood cholesterol levels or increase heart disease risk. This is because the body regulates its cholesterol production based on dietary intake. When you consume more cholesterol, your body typically produces less, and vice versa. Recent studies suggest that saturated and trans fats have a greater effect on blood cholesterol levels than dietary cholesterol itself. Foods high in these types of fats are more likely to raise LDL cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Therefore, focusing on reducing saturated and trans fats in your diet may be more beneficial for heart health than avoiding eggs. It's also important to note that individuals vary in their response to dietary cholesterol. Some people, known as hyperresponders, experience a significant increase in blood cholesterol levels when they consume dietary cholesterol. Others, known as hyporesponders, see little to no change. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, such as diabetes, It may be wise to monitor your egg consumption and consult with a healthcare professional. 3. Benefits of eating 2 eggs. 2 eggs every day can offer several benefits, thanks to their rich nutrient profile. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. With about 12 grams of high-quality protein, consuming 2 eggs a day can significantly contribute to muscle growth and repair. Protein is essential for maintaining and building muscle mass, which is particularly important for athletes, bodybuilders, or anyone engaged in regular physical activity. The amino acids in eggs support muscle recovery and synthesis, making them a valuable addition to a post-workout meal. Eggs can help with weight management by promoting feelings of fullness. The high protein content in eggs can help you feel satisfied longer, potentially reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. Studies have shown that eating eggs for breakfast can help control hunger and lead to reduced calorie consumption later in the day, which may support weight loss or weight maintenance goals. Eggs are a good source of vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in bone health. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, an essential mineral for maintaining strong bones and teeth. By eating 2 eggs daily, you can contribute to your daily vitamin D intake and support overall bone health, especially if you have limited sun exposure, as sunlight is another source of vitamin D. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs are beneficial for eye health. These compounds help protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Regular consumption of eggs can help maintain good vision and support overall eye health. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient that is essential for brain function. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and cognitive function. Adequate choline intake is important for brain development and may help support cognitive performance throughout life. By eating 2 eggs a day, you can contribute to your choline intake and support brain health. 4. Potential drawbacks and concerns. While eggs have many benefits, it's essential to consider potential drawbacks and concerns associated with consuming them daily. Although recent research suggests that dietary cholesterol has a limited impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people, it's still important to monitor your overall cholesterol intake. If you have specific health conditions, such as heart disease or diabetes, you may need to be more cautious with your egg consumption. It's essential to balance your diet with other heart-healthy foods and lifestyle choices. Eggs are a common allergen, particularly in children. Egg allergies can cause a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to severe allergic reactions. Symptoms may include hives, swelling, abdominal pain, or difficulty breathing. If you have an egg allergy, it's crucial to avoid eggs and seek alternative sources of protein and nutrients. Raw or undercooked eggs can pose a risk of salmonella infection. Salmonella is a type of bacteria that can cause food poisoning, leading to symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. To minimize the risk of salmonella, ensure that eggs are cooked thoroughly until both the white and yolk are firm. Avoid consuming raw or partially cooked eggs in dishes like homemade mayonnaise or eggnog. 5. How to incorporate eggs healthily. If you decide to include 2 eggs in your daily diet, here are some tips for incorporating them in a healthy way. To reduce the risk of foodborne illness, make sure to cook eggs until both the white and yolk are firm. Scrambled, boiled, or poached eggs are good options. Avoid dishes that use raw or undercooked eggs, such as certain sauces or desserts. While eggs are a nutritious food, it's essential to balance your diet with a variety of other foods. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Pairing eggs with vegetables or whole grain toast can create a balanced meal that supports overall health. 2 eggs a day is generally considered safe for most people. However, it's important to consider your overall diet and lifestyle. If you incorporate eggs into your meals in a variety of ways to keep your diet interesting and nutritious. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition insights. Have any questions or personal experiences with eggs? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.